Today, we are going to walk through setting up your 6 router bits on your auto tool changer and saving their offset lengths. First thing we're going to do is power up your CNC machine and home all access. Next, we are going to access the ATC settings by pressing the setting button and scrolling down one screen. We are going to manually insert the tool that you've designated as number 1. To insert the collet into your spindle, we are going to carefully hold it in place and press the UNCL tool button on your iCNC controller. We need to be very cautious as there is significant air pressure holding the collet in place, and it could seriously injure your hand if you're not careful. To let the machine know that we have tool 1 inserted into the collet, we are going to press on the tool 1 holder. It will now display a tool. Now we can insert tools number 2 through 6 into their respective holders. And we will let the machine know that all tools are ready. We are going to select a location on the CNC machine where we are going to measure each individual tool. It is very important that we use the exact same location for all measurements, in case your table is not perfectly flat. We recommend moving your x-axis to the middle of the table and a location on the y-axis of your choosing. Once we have selected a location, we are going to set that location as 0 on the x and y axis so that we can easily return to it. Now we are ready to measure tool number 1. We can do so by placing the tool setter underneath the tool and pressing the tool offset button. The tool will slowly descend and measure the tool 3 times. Your machine will then save the offset distance of this specific tool. We can now move on to the remaining tools and perform the exact same sequence. Select tool number 2 so that it is highlighted yellow and then press the tool change button. The machine will swap tool number 1 with tool number 2. In order to move back to our selected location, we will highlight the X and Y axis and move it back to 0. Now we can place the tool setter underneath tool number 2 and press tool offset to measure it. Continue this process with tools 3 through 6, and you will have the lengths of all 6 tools saved into your iCNC controller. My name is Jeremy, and I am a part of the team here at Simply Technologies. If you ever have any questions about CNC technology, feel free to visit our website or give us a call.